Companies today are bogged down. They're bogged down with consultants, they're bogged down with SI companies, they're bogged down with hundreds of licensed apps that they have, they're bogged down with, so much mess. Imagine you didn't have all of these technologies and all of these apps and all of these consulting firms and SI companies and different licensed software that you had. Imagine you had one toolkit that brings all of that to your house. That means that you can have the right tool for the right application need. Your teams are empowered to work with the technologies, the innovative technologies that startup bring to market through one platform, Interplay. Your procurement team doesn't have to get involved and go out and negotiate a dozen different software packages to then go through a rigorous certification process with, and then bring in an SI company to integrate that into your enterprise stack. All of the problems that come with a traditional way of app development. Really, Iterate challenges the status quo that that's not necessary, that you should have the ability to enable or empower your DevOps teams with all the tools that they need to get their job done quickly, efficiently, and that needs to be a repeatable, scalable event. I'm a multinational global company. I've got DevOps teams all around the planet Earth, and they're all working with tools that they're familiar with. And that really just leads to a lot more complicated development. In the back end, that's an integration nightmare. Iterate takes that noise and makes it not your problem anymore. Those are our problems. What we want to do is enable the creativeness of your engineering teams and allow them to do something that's never been done before. Iterate's platform, Interplay, and our latest generation Spirit is limited by your imagination. You can build anything here, and that's what's beautiful about it.